Today, I'll show you how to export Jotform to Excel if you're looking to back up your form submissions, analyze your data, or share results with a team. Exporting to Excel is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to work with your Jotform responses. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Jotform. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple forms for different projects or clients. If you're not logged in yet, enter your usual login details and wait for your Jotform dashboard to load. This is where you see your list of forms and any recent activity. Once you're on the main Jotform page and signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. This menu is where you'll find all your account-related options, including settings, billing, and logout. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings area. Give the page a moment to load. Jotform will show several tabs or sections along the left-hand side of the screen, such as Account, Profile, Security, and others. All of these relate to how your account behaves, but for exporting data, we're interested in a specific section. In the menu on the left, find and click on the section called Data. This is where Jotform keeps all tools related to your form submissions and backups. After clicking Data, you'll see options related to importing and exporting information, as well as controls to manage what happens with your existing submissions. Within the Data section, look for the area labeled Export Data. This area allows you to create a downloadable copy of your account data, including your forms and submissions. Find the button that says Download My Data. Go ahead and click that button. Jotform may take a moment to prepare your export, especially if you have a lot of forms or a long history of submissions. Once the export is ready, Jotform will provide you with a downloadable file, usually as a compressed folder. Inside that folder, you'll find your form data in formats that can be opened with Excel. If necessary, unzip the folder on your computer, then look for the specific file that corresponds to the form or submission data you want. Open that file in Microsoft Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program. From there, you can sort, filter, create charts, or share the spreadsheet with others. If you need a fresh copy of your data in the future, you can repeat this export process at any time. And that's it. You've learned how to export Jotform to Excel using the built-in data export tools in your account settings.